स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू कुश डिजिटल। सो पिछले दिन हम लोग क्यूब को लेकर डिस्कस किए थे। क्यूब का सरफेस एरिया, वॉल्यूम एंड डायगोनल फाइंड आउट किए थे। सो आज हम लोग सीखेंगे क्यूबॉइड। क्यूबॉइड को ये भी बोला जाता है, क्यूबॉइड इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड रेक्टेंगुलर पैरेललोपाइपेड। ठीक है, क्यूबॉइड और रेक्टेंगुलर RECT सब फॉर्म में लिख रहे हैं, पैरेललोपाइपेड। Okay, this is the another name of cuboid. We can also call it as rectangular parallelepiped. So now we will be find out the surface area, the volume, the diagonal of a cuboid, and in the next part we will be solving problems about cube on cuboid. Okay, so now for cuboid, let me draw a structure first. So this is a cuboid. Cuboid, how it differs from cube? Cube has each edge of length same, but in cuboid only the opposite surfaces are of same area. That means opposite this surface and this surface are equal in area and is parallel to each other. This surface and this surface is equal in area and is parallel to each other, and same as this outer surface and that surface and that's outer surface, this one, this is also is same in area and is parallel to each other. So this is the basic difference, that it has its length, breadth and height. Each one is different. In cube the all three are same. So this is the basic difference about cube and cuboid. Now as it differs, so its volume and surface area and diagonal also differs than cube. So how to find out that? So first of all, let me unfold this cuboid first. So after unfolding, what we will get? We will get a structure like, sorry, so I have unfolded this cuboid. Just take practical examples of cuboid, that is matchbox, a brick. You have seen brick, red brick. So that is an example of cuboid. A matchbox is also can be an example of cuboid. So now here this is the base, and here I have picked the base as this. So let me draw a straight line. All these are straight line. So now this is the base. So the base area in this cuboid is length into breadth. So this is length into breadth. Okay. Now when I have unfolded, this part is this part, that part. So it's B into H, that means breadth into height. So it's breadth into height, and this is also breadth into height, that part. So this is also breadth into height. Okay, fine. Now that part, when I've unfolded from that, I have cut from here and then unfolded from that. So that part, that surface is this surface. So what it will be? It will be length into breadth. That means same as this. This part and this part is same. So this is length into breadth. And the rest two part are this part, and that part. So it's length into height, and this is also length into height. So I have completed my 6 surfaces of a cuboid. Now what will be the surface area? You can easily find out from this. Surface area is thus, look, there is 2 surfaces with area breadth into height, there are 2 surfaces with area length into breadth, and there are 2 surfaces with area length into height. So total surface area will be length into breadth plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus breadth into height plus length into height plus length into height. I have completed all my 6 surfaces. So now it comes out to be 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So this is the surface area of a cuboid. Okay, so you can also see from this that there are 2 surfaces of area length into breadth. So 2 surfaces of area length into breadth, 2 surfaces of area breadth into height, that 2 part. So 2 surfaces of area breadth into height, and there are 2 surfaces of area length into height. That means that part and this part. Okay, so we have find out the surface area of a cuboid. Now we will be finding the volume of a cuboid. तो वॉल्यूम कैसे निकालेंगे? देखिए, सरफेस एरिया आप यहाँ से भी निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं अनफोल्ड करके इसीलिए दिखाया कि आपको समझने में थोड़ा आसानी हो. ठीक है. नाउ अभी वॉल्यूम कैसे निकालेंगे? वॉल्यूम जैसे क्यूब में बोले थे, सेम एज दैट द सरफेस एरिया इन टू हाइट. जब सरफेस एरिया को आप हाइट से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तभी आपका वॉल्यूम निकल जाएगा. तो हेयर surface area is length into breadth and height is h. So volume of cuboid will be volume of cuboid equals to what? It will be the length into breadth. This is the surface area, and when we multiply with height we will get the total volume. So length into breadth into height, this is the volume. Multiply each of length, breadth and height, we will get the volume of a cuboid. Okay, now we will be finding the diagonal. We will find the diagonal using the same procedure as we do in cubes. So let me draw the cuboid first. So here, so this is a cuboid. Now we will find the diagonal. So just follow the same procedure just like cube. We have to find out this diagonal. Okay, so we have to basically first find out what? First find out this length. So let me name it first: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First of all, when to find out the diagonal of a cube, you need to first find out the diagonal of the surface, that is the base. So for the base, the diagonal will be what? To find out the diagonal of a cuboid, first of all we need to find out the diagonal of its surface, that is the rectangle ABCD. So to find out the diagonal of the rectangle ABCD, what will be the formula? So AC equals to root over of length square plus breadth square. We all know length square plus breadth square root over is the diagonal of a rectangle. So this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Okay, here this is the height. So length and breadth से आप पहले रेक्टेंगल का जो सरफेस है उसका डायगोनल निकाल लीजिए. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट AF, दैट मीन्स द डायगोनल ऑफ द cuboid. So to find out AF, what will be AF? Is root over of, now see, same as cube, this is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle ACF. Okay, so hypotenuse formula is root over of base square, that is AC, that is root over of length square plus breadth square is AC, इसका square plus CF, that is 8 square, equals to root over of length square plus breadth square plus height square. So this is the diagonal of a cuboid. Okay, so this is the derivation. This is how we derive the diagonal of a cuboid. So we have covered today the basics of cuboid. In the next part we will be solving some problems regarding cubes and cuboid. So आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो फिर आप लाइक कीजिए, और अगर आपको कहीं पे दिक्कत हो रहा है तो कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ, और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. बेल आइकन को ऑल में रखिए ताकि आपको सारी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आती रहे. सो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. थैंक यू.